Connected washing machine is not a very complicated process. However, there are a few points that you should know about it. Connection of washing machine is considered to be its connection to three engineered networks: electricity, water and sewage. However, first of all, you need to choose the place where a machine will be installed. This place must be chosen due to the need to ensure easy connection to these three networks, so that there are closer electrical socket, a drain outlet and the water supply. It's also important to install the washing machine on a flat surface, so that there are no unnecessary vibration when the drum is working. Washing machine needs water to work. It's supplied to it using a hose. The hose includes with the washing machine in the kit. The length of such a hose is 1 or 1.5 meters. Often the water supply is located further. In this case we have two options: either add another one to current hose, the required additional length, or purchase a separate hose of the full required length. The second option is better in my opinion. After all, there will be no additional connections, which are always a risk of leakage. For example, inlet hose have a length of 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 meters. To install the hose itself on washing machine, you don't need to use additional seals. There is already a rubber seal on the hose nut. Most inlet hoses for washing machines are made of PVC and are gray. At the end of the hose are polymer nuts with a 3/4 thread. A valve should be installed on the water supply side. It provides the ability to close the water. The most common case for connection a valve is when it needs to be integrated to current pipeline. For such a case, a through-type valve for a washing machine is suitable, like this one. Such a valve has a through-type body with a half-inch threads and output with a thread of 3/4. The hose to the washing machine is connected to this branch. Another option is the Arco connector valve. This valve has a union nut on one side. This allows you to adjust the position of the valve relative to the pipe axis by 360 degrees, which is very convenient. If you have a pipe outlet from the wall, but you need to connect two devices at once, then there are other valves for this case. Arco Combi. It's suitable for connecting a wash basin faucet and a washing machine. Each device will have its own valve for closing. If you need to connect a washing machine and dishwasher at the same time, then the Arco Twin valve will be a great choice. It has one inlet, two outlets and one adjustment knob. However, it has 4 positions, which ensures complete blocking of both outlets, complete opening for both outlets, or open position for one outlet with the other closed. You should also remember that modern washing machines will work intermittently if the water pressure is insufficient. This is due to the fact that the machine must be filled with water in certain time. If the required water level is not reached on time, the washing machine may interrupt the program and give an error. The minimum pressure required for a normal operation of washing machine is usually from 0.3 to 0.6 bars. Wastewater from the washing machine is also drained through a hose, through a corrugated drain hose, also in gray color. Such a hose is also included in the kit, but also short. Therefore, it's often necessary to extend it with an additional one. This is done through a special adapter and using clamps. Such hose comes in different lengths. For example, in Tokai there are extendable in two sizes, from 0.7 to 2 meters and from 1.2 and to 4 meters. There are two ways to connect the outlet hose. as a mobile solution. In this case, the hose is connected at one end to the washing machine and the other is lowered into the bathtub or sink. That is, the drain does not have a fixed connection. The free end of the hose must be inserted into the arc during draining. And other choice, fixed connection. The hose is connected on one side to the machine and the other in the lead to the pipe. For better drainage, it's recommended to bend the hose and a height of half a meter from the floor and then lower into the entrance to the sewer pipe, or connected it through a special siphon. That's all. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon.